Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Synthetic Emperor, your host. This is Synthetic Empire. Here in Synthetic Empire, we trade majorly synthetic indices. That's the VIX 75, the VIX 50, the volatility 10, boom and crash, and step index. So today I would like to show us a new strategy. I call it the EMA crossover strategy. Okay. This strategy, it works both on boom and crash and also VIX. But I would like to let us know that you need a little knowledge of price action so you can be very profitable using this strategy. Okay, I'll be fast about it. So like I said, I call it the EMA crossover strategy, guys. Okay, let me start. The first indicator we'll be using is the 200 EMA, 200 moving average, guys. The 200 moving average. Okay, shift to close method, exponential, shift zero method, exponential, apply to close. I'll go for orange. Done. Added to chart. Okay, the next strategy, the next indicator we'll use is the EMA 14. The EMA 14. I will give it color red. Okay, color red. We add another indicator, period 50. We'll give it color blue. Okay, you can see. That's all. Now to perfect the strategy, we'll add our RSI. Okay, period 14, apply to close, style 2 pixel or any. Then for the color, it will be your background color. The levels will be levels 90, levels 50, levels 10, levels 20, and levels 80. And you label it the way I labeled it. You can put level 50 for TP, level 90 strong sell, level 10 strong buy, level 20 buy, level 80 sell. So any color of your choice and any pixel of your choice. Then add it to our chart. You can see. Next we are going to add the indicators we added on our main chart. We'll be adding it on our RSI, so we can know when price is oversold and when price is overbought. Okay, the same color, moving average 14, color red, 14 color red. Okay, let me use my indicator. Okay, 14 color red. Done. Then the last is for moving average 200. Hope you're getting me. Hope you're understanding it. So you can see it, guys. You can see it. You can see. Now we'll be adding another window. That's for boom and crash. For boom and crash, we'll be adding another RSI. The RSI will be period 14. This time around, our color will be black. The same levels. So now, how does this indicator works? My network is not good, so let me just off it. How does this indicator works? How does this indicator works? Okay. Now, for boom and crash, you go to 5 minutes time frame and 1 minute time frame. 5 minutes and 1 minute time frame. Okay. 5 minutes and 1 minute time frame. Well, I missed this spike. You can see. You can see, guys. You can see. Now, conditions for buy. Conditions for buy. That's for boom and crash. Now, you see, you buy when the moving averages are in this zone, and also in this zone. You can see what happened is spiked. Now, for following trends, you wait, you zoom out the last zoom. I prefer using the last zoom. So you zoom out wherever the orange moving average is above the green and the red, you sell. You look for selling opportunities. Wherever the orange moving average is below the blue and the red, you look for buys. Hope you understand me. Now, when you see them in this zone, when you see them in this zone, and you see the RSI also is near this zone, and a crossover happens, you enter a sell. That's for boom and crash. You see, once there's a crossover, you enter a sell. You take 5 candles and you leave. You take 5 candles and you leave. Crossover, you take 5, you leave. Crossover, you take 5, you leave. And make sure when you're taking the 5, the indicators are in the sell zone. Please don't buy when they are in the buy zone. Buy when they are in the sell zone. Hope you understand. Okay. Now let's move to VIX. VIX 75, VIX 50. Let's see VIX 75. You can see how powerful this strategy is. You can see the crossover happened here. And we took it down to this place. Now you see, I'll be rounding up soon. Now, in essence, in summary, you buy once there's a crossover facing up. That's the red crossing the blue. Red crossing the blue facing upwards, and the indicator is in the buy zone. Then you sell when there is a crossover facing down, red crossing the blue, and also the indicators are in the sell zone. Hope you understand me, guys. Hope you understand me. So now, what's the best time frame to use this indicator? The best time frame is 15 minutes time frame, guys. The 15 minutes time frame is the best time frame. My network is kind of bad here. The 15 minutes time frame is the best time frame. If you want to scalp, I will recommend the 5 minutes time frame. So guys, I think I'll be rounding up here. So if you enjoyed this video, I want you to like and subscribe, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel, Synthetic Empire. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel, Synthetic Empire. This is our invite link, t.me/synthetic index empire. Don't forget, guys, join my Telegram channel, guys, and get free signals on synthetic indices. Join my Telegram channel, guys. I think I'll be signing out now. Free PDFs, softwares, signals, guys, I recommend my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel to know more, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Synthetic Empire will be signing out. Thanks, guys.